Greetings, friends. So friends, I have very important news today that has just been announced in regards to monthly benefits. Many Americans may see a change in the amount of benefits that they receive every month from SNAP. Also, Social Security beneficiaries may see a change in their monthly checks. Friends, please make sure that you watch until the end of this video if you are a SNAP or Social Security recipient. I will also be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. If you would like to enter the giveaways, please make sure you click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on with the keyword, the greater your chance of winning the Walmart gift card.
As educators, we all know that history has never been an unbroken line toward progress. That even when we have advances, there will be setbacks. In certain times, those setbacks being more drastic than in others. This is one of those moments, but we will not be deterred. The President and I are counting on you to help us move forward as a nation, just as NEA has done throughout its history. Because I remember that this organization fought to lower the voting age to 18 of social justice. And it is clear, educators are a central part then of moving our nation forward. You are not only essential to our children's future. I'm here to share with you. You, I believe, are essential to the future of our democracy. When we look at where we are, we know that NEA has always been a powerful force whose members understand the power of unity. So these may be difficult times. And I know that at the end of this convening, you will each go back to your home district.
Americans who qualify for the SNAP program have been giving a financial boost through an emergency allotment that provides $95 or more in additional funds each month, up to the maximum benefit amount. But when that allotment expires, recipients could see their benefits take a sharp drop. The allotment was granted to help SNAP recipients weather financial hardships caused by the crisis. And according to Forbes, many were also given a 15% increase that is scheduled to expire on September 30th, 2022. The Biden administration is looking to ease some of the financial pain by implementing a permanent increase to SNAP benefits starting on October 1st of this year. As Forbes noted, the temporary SNAP increase provided about $27 more per person each month. Between the 15% boost and the emergency allotment, the average monthly food benefit per person is currently $240. That will rise to $251 with a permanent increase. So when the emergency allotment ends, the average monthly benefit per person will drop to $169. There is no set expiration date for the emergency allotment, though Forbes said some policy experts expect it to be available in most U.S. states only through the end of this year. But no matter when it ends, there are one thing that recipients can do to prepare for lower SNAP benefits. That is to look at other benefits that you might be eligible for, such as a special supplemental nutrition program for women, infants, and children. That is currently available to help low-income pregnant, breastfeeding, and postpartum women who have infants or children up to the age of 5 years old. The Restaurant Meals Program is a state option that enables some SNAP clients to use their benefits to purchase prepared meals at restaurants across the United States. These customers may not be able to make meals for themselves or may not have a stable place to store and prepare food. With food assistance being so important, SNAP clients must be certified for the payments in a state in which the Restaurant Meals Program is available. States such as Alabama, Hawaii, Maine, Alaska, New Hampshire, North Carolina, New Jersey, Oregon, Rhode Island, Pennsylvania, Virginia, South Carolina, and Wisconsin will continue to provide additional SNAP payments worth at least $95 in July. The USDA has also allowed some U.S. states to issue emergency allotments. The CalFresh program in California is one of the state's programs that issues monthly electronic benefits that can be used to buy most foods at many markets and food stores. CalFresh is for people with low income who meet federal income eligibility rules and want to add to their budget to put healthy and nutritious food on the table. Currently, tens of millions of seniors in the United States depend on Social Security, and as inflation continues to rise, it is growing more challenging for many retirees to make ends meet. Earlier this year, Social Security beneficiaries received a 5.9% cost of living adjustment. This is to account for how inflation rose in late 2021 because costs have continued to soar throughout 2022. Next year's COLA will likely be even higher. At this point, it is still unclear exactly how big the 2023 COLA will be. The final number will depend on what inflation looks like throughout the rest of 2022. Earlier this year, researchers from the Senior Citizens League estimated that next year's COLA will be as high as 8.6%. But new research from the Committee for a Responsible Federal Budget suggests that could potentially be as large as 10.8%, which would be the biggest cost of living adjustment since 1981. Friends, the keyword for this video is Catalina Island. If you would like to enter tomorrow's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is Catalina Island, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And friends, do make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. A nearly 11% raise would result in many retirees collecting hundreds of dollars more in benefits each month. A higher COLA isn't necessarily a good thing. A higher COLA could mean that inflation continues to increase. So friends, what are your thoughts on all of this? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Well, my amazing and fantastic friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you once again for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos daily. Thank you so much, my friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Saturday.